Hi, baby! Pogi! Pogi, oh. Pogi talaga kahit sa anggulo, oh. Paputiin mo lang, pogi. Oh. Babalikin mo lang yung color mo, pogi, oh. Dali, ano yan? I wanna go there in the mountain. See?
Did you see those things?
Nakakatakot. Landslide ata yun, eh.
That's a landslide.
No? Pogi, oh. Dali, tapos.
So, firstly, we're going to spa. Secondly,
Wow, excited sa spa. Excited.
secondly, I'm going to fun ranch.
Kaya why not go magpa-fun ranch ka? Parang gastos mo, anak. Fun ranch na lang tayo. Mag-fun ranch na lang tayo, sayang. Mas mura.
What do there?
Oo, tinan mo. Fun ranch na lang. Play. Yeah.
I'm only getting 4.
O, doon na lang tayo sa ano, Picnic Grove, no?
I can't.
O, kaya sa Highland. Yung Highland doon.
I don't want.
Okay, tayo mo doon. Maganda nga, oh. Para tayo nag-hike din, eh.
Just let the spa. That's it.
Gusto mo pa talaga. So, yeah, this is the rest day of Luis because he's been working so hard. So, he requested to go out with me because of tiredness. The whole week of tiredness. Ay, ang sarap naman. Parang gusto kong mag-trip dun sa may Taal dun. Ay, ang sarap ng nature talaga. Watching nature is so relaxing. Sige, mag-relax lang kayo. Even if you're just doing it online. Sa mga gusto makatipid, just watch our videos. Huwag na kayong pumunta kung saan. Just watch it para ma-relax kayo. Delikado din kasi it's so dangerous too, no? Kala nyo mag-travel kayo dyan. Sana kung gagaling yung driver. So dangerous also. Pero if you're like a risk taker, why not? Pero syempre, it's still safer to like, you know, not to travel so much. Siguro sometimes it's okay. Like, yeah, I don't recommend traveling so much. It's dangerous, honestly. But if you think you're really good and like, even if you have a good driver, there could still be risk. So, yeah, it's up to you. It's your life, okay? You decide. You decide if you want to kill yourself. You decide if you want to be safe. So it's up to you. Okay, wait. I'm gonna take another video.